time to share my favorite Christmas treat to make for myself and for friends. You can never go wrong with savory Chex Mix. Here I found a seasoning packet which is very tasty and perfect. However, you can make your own if you cannot find this. So following the packet mixture, I like to use wheat and corn Chex. That is my favorites. You need to start by melting butter and then stirring in a package of the seasoning mix. You want to make sure you stir this really well to ensure that it is combined into the butter very, very well. You can also make this on your own following the directions on a Chex cereal box. Either way you prefer is going to be very tasty. Next up, we're going to add in my favorite Chex to the mixture. I only used 2 Chex cereals instead of 3, so I added 1.5 cups extra of each. Really, you can adjust this according to your own liking. In addition, you can add in whatever snack treats you prefer, like Cheerios, nuts, pretzels, goldfish, bagel chips, and even combos. Whatever you prefer, add it in. This is a very versatile treat which you can make your own, and it always makes the perfect gift for everyone. So if you want to make the base mix and you have individuals who want different treats inside their Chex Mix, I would suggest doing that as well. So just make up your batch of Chex Mix according to the package, adding in your favorite Chex cereals, and then adding in nuts, Cheerios, etc. Now, I prefer the oven method, but here I have used the microwave method, so it is 5 minutes cook time, but stirring at 2-minute intervals to ensure that it does not burn on the bottom. Once it is cooked, I like to place it on a baking dish lined with paper towels to ensure that all the excess grease is drained out. And there you have a perfect Christmas gift the Appalachian way.